Hello, folks. So, this is the beginning of a very long series of videos I'll be doing for rebuilding our house down here at the river. So, you can see we have this pretty phenomenal view of the Potomac River. We've been here for coming up on, well, I best guess 12 years now. This is our going to be our retirement place. So let me show you the waterfront side of the house here. This is as we bought it 12 years ago. You can see down the side, there's not much room between the upriver side of the house and the fence. And there's not much room between the downriver side of the house and the next house over here on the right, or left, excuse me. So we plan on adding a second floor to this house. You can see there's the roof with the solar panels I put on a few years ago. Front porch. There's our shed. This right here is the kitchen. That's our master bath. Kids' room. And this is the front. Nice size driveway. Probably going to get smaller. I planted this red bud tree. Probably that's 5 years old, I'm guessing. I planted these indigo bush here on the side. So now we're on the front porch, and eventually this porch should be part of the kitchen, which is in here. Unfortunately, the electrical panel is on the other side of this wall here. So we need to completely rewire the house. Several years ago, I put in access panels down here to get to the only way to get into the house. And my next task is to climb into the house and take measurements of the foundation. I put in these hatches when I hired a company to put insulation under the house. So they actually had guys climbing under the house to get in there. Here, we'll take a look at the other side here. So I'm going to climb in there, try and take as many measurements as I can of plumbing and where the foundation is, posts and things, so that I know where the load-bearing stuff is. And from there, we can begin to design our remodel. All right, here's my tools. There's the hole. It's going to be good fun. All right. To give you an idea of the amount of room in here. There. This is We got maybe 16 inches to the rafter. Good times. All right, initial scope. The wall. Cinder block wall goes all the way down. And that trap there is probably the shower, the master shower trap. You see way the hell back there, the plastic goes all the way to the foundation. Alright. So clearly, it's going to be rough getting around in here. And that's the extent of this cavity here. Alright, that wasn't quite as bad as I thought it would be, but it's still pretty sucky. So the main takeaway here is that in the front, in the front part of the house, the plumbing is completely off the ground. It doesn't go into the ground until probably under the washroom. And there's a beam that runs from the street side of the house to the middle. There's a dividing wall parallel to the road, and it has a couple breakouts in it for plumbing. And the joists in the first floor on the street side run parallel to the street. And the beam that they rest on, one end of it seems to be sitting on a cinder block. So we'll see if what implications that has for structure. All right, our next little adventure is to go down through the area that goes under the rest of the house, which is effectively from this wall toward the river. So we'll open this guy up. Good times. I mean, this little doohickey here so that we could keep that up like that. And I'll undo the screws under there. All right, into the fun. Oh, geez. Clearly, insulation fail. And lots of this is just not secured like I suspected it wouldn't be. But, so, there's where the sewer actually leaves the house. Just goes underground there. The miscellaneous wires. You can see the center wall there. It's just loose brick stacked up. I don't know that it's supporting anything. But right here is a main foundation wall, and then there's more crap in there. More insulation falling down. Good job, guys. Love it. All right, this wall right here I was looking at. It's under the kitchen. There's lots of stuff sitting on cinder blocks. Way back there. Now there's a plumbing pipe that goes to the far wall. I have no idea what that does because there's no plumbing over there. There's no bathroom or anything. There's nothing going to the second floor at all, let alone over there. So I have no idea. This column, this cinder blocks here, that's nice and plumb. Not. This collection of cinder blocks here, I have no idea. I'm guessing that's for the chimney, but that does not look like a solid foundation for a chimney. Right there. So these joists are all parallel to the street. I can't fit back beyond where I'm at because of this sewer pipe and the air conditioning line that is above me. So I'm done.